What a great view, no? Wow. Well then, guys, here we are again. Welcome to another edition of Rupert's Weekly Property Show. Today, as promised, we are again in another golf resort, this time on Valle Golf. Maybe one of the most prestigious resorts to say, because it's not a massive resort like Condado or La Torre. We are talking about some 320 apartments and some 350 villas. So it's a nice and tiny, cozy resort with a fantastic technical signature course, no doubt about. So amongst the golfers, I know it's quite attractive. And we are here today in a ground floor apartment, southwest facing, well, with a decent south orientation and also a west orientation over here. So as you can see, there's still quite some sun on the terrace on the afternoon. Otherwise, we are here just in front of the community pool on El Valle Golf Resort. In this case, we are in the municipality of Murcia, which is quite interesting. And we are about 20-25 minutes from the beaches, 15 minutes to Murcia city, about 25 minutes to Cartagena, maybe 30. So it's pretty well located, nearly in the center of the Murcia region here, what we see it. And I'm showing you today a two-bathroom apartment, which doesn't only have this fantastic view. And just let me show the inside now what we are talking about. So this is now our live thingy here, and we're just turning around. And I'm showing you now, well, you saw now the outside terrace. Here we go now with a kind of covered terrace, because this is all glassed in, as you can see. We have Stein, our listing agent, out there enjoying the sunshine. Sometimes I wished I also want to be a listing agent here at Quality Homes. And what we see here is the so-called terrace, to say, of this two-bathroom apartment. It's reference 3709 on qualityhomescostacalida.com and as well reference 3709 on murciadreams.com. This area, as you can see, has even a jacuzzi built in, which is quite handy, useful. So it's all prepared for you now to come over and have a bath in our jacuzzi. Even the cava is already cool. But having said that, this room, in case you don't fancy the jacuzzi, could be turned into a third bedroom, because it's a decent size for a third bedroom or for office, workspace, whatever. So there is quite some room in this apartment where we still could improve and still get even more out of it. Having said that, the owners have invested heavily in this apartment and they have changed quite a lot. So, for example, this storage area with a work surface on top is obviously not standard. All the glass curtains we see here is also definitely not standard, as well as the glass coverings here in the jacuzzi area. But as it's totally closed off, they're using it now as their dining area. I think that fits quite well in here. Having said that, the door is closed. I go to the next one. There it is. Thank you. We're now entering the living room. Those ones of you who know already maybe the apartments here on El Valle Golf Resort might see already the difference. So they have changed the flooring. They have also put in quite a lot of really decent furnishing, and I will show you later on also the other changes they did to this apartment. So it's really very well done. The living room is as spacious as it comes. We are in one of the best designs of apartments here on El Valle Golf, because this allows as well to put in, as we said, the third bedroom. So we have here quite a big lounge. Again, today we see Anna here. She's attending or helping me today just with the technical side, and we have a mirror. So today we do the mirror thingy, Anna, because I'm not just above you with the mirror. Looks funny.
Oh, right.
Yes, exactly. So yeah, that's what it is. So we have a massive living area here, and connected to this is the individual kitchen, which is also fitted with everything necessary from microwave to dishwasher to oven to cooker extractor fan. In the back side of the kitchen, we do have the washing machine and some storage area, and again, the central heating. This apartment does not only have central heating, it also has central air conditioning. The heating is powered by gas and the air conditioning obviously by electrics. but this is quite a comfortable setup because this means you can stay here all year round. Central heating with radiators in all rooms, obviously, is quite an asset in winter. I know it sounds silly, no? We have outside 35 degrees at the moment, and Rupert is talking about air conditioning. Yes, I know. Sorry, about heating. Yes, I know, but the winter will come, I'm pretty sure, as the summer comes back every year as well. So here we are again. I'm just waffling through the property, and I'm now in the master bedroom. It's quite a decent size. The property is sold as seen, so whatever we see today is what we get. Obviously, they might take out private items and maybe precious artwork, but otherwise the property is sold as seen with all furnishing, white goods, and everything included. All bedrooms with fitted wardrobes as well, and just let me show you the inside of the fitted wardrobe. There we go. So there's a chest of drawers at the bottom, then we go up with a safe, then we have some shelving here. So that's a decent, I would say a decently equipped cupboard. On the other side, you will find a rail to hang your clothes, and again, some drawers at the bottom. Continuing with the bathroom, which is an ensuite bathroom, as we have two. Just making the turn around, there's another mirror for Rupert, which has a bubble bath. Well, jacuzzi or whatever, however you want to call it. Glass shower screen as well, radiator, central heating, there we go. Yes, I know it's 35 degrees outside, but the winter will come, I tell you. Okay, we have another mirror, so we see Rupert again, and all other mod cons for a bathroom. Nicely done. It's all in very good nick. The property was never rented, was only used for the private stays on site and maybe some family members. And I think it also breathes this circumstance, no doubt about. Second bedroom, I have to say thanks as well to the owner, or better said to the sister of the owner, I think it is, who prepared the property in the best way possible. I offered her already a job here to work with Quality Homes. We're always short of stuff, but what I see here is really, thank you ever so much. This is just fantastic. You know that we also always try to dress the property with what we find in the same property, but in this case, this is really going over the tops, in my opinion. Okay, this is now the second bedroom, as we said, as well fitted wardrobes, as well ducted air conditioning in all rooms, also obviously in this bedroom. Reference 3709 on qualityhomescostacalida.com or as well on murciadreams.com. Where you find pictures and loads of information about this specific property. We are now in the second bathroom, which is slightly smaller than the first one, so I'll have to turn around to show you all this. We have one of these fantastic shower cubicles and as well all the other stuff which you normally would expect in a bathroom. Walking out here again, what they did here is, normally all this apartment had this wooden floor, as we can see here, but they changed the living area and all that to a very nice tiling, which really gives also value to the property and gives it a little bit more a modern feel, to say. Asking price is 147,850. As we said, reference 3709 on murciadreams.com. The running costs, community fees for the property is €142 per month, which includes and provides all services provided by the community of owners, being security, being street cleaning, being the pool attention, being street lighting. So there are many, many things which are done by the community. So this is $142 per month. As well, the property comes included a garage space. That's quite useful in the long run. And the garage space has an additional €23 as community costs. So also, obviously, the garages need to be cleaned and all that. And this is part of the community setup. Reference 3709 on murciadreams.com and on qualityhomescostacalida.com. Asking price 147,850. It's now about 3 months on the market. So far we had quite a good result already on viewings, but I think it's waiting for you to come over and make an offer for this property and take it from there. I see Paul is back from Galway City on the Atlantic coast. Well, we just have the Mediterranean coast here, but it's always nice to see you again, Paul. I hope your mother Renee is well as well, and everything is going to plans. Just one simple question, as always, Paul: when will you come over to Spain? Once he will come, I hope. Yes, once. Yes, we all hope so. No? So we are back on the main terrace here, and it's about 35 degrees, as we said today. It has about 24 degrees inside. Well, and I think I will have a sit here. So, Sten, congratulations to this fantastic listing. This is really great.
It's amazing, isn't it?
Yes.
You can't get it any better.
Exactly. And I see you here, relaxing, views on the pool.
And access directly from here.
Yeah. There's a fantastic access door. I didn't show you that. I prepared it before, and I really looked if we can open it. Yes, we can. So this means we have direct access from our terrace going out to the pool. It's 30 meters, 40 meters about?
Yeah.
Yeah, about so. No? So even you can watch the kids from here. Yeah. So it is just... Thank you, Eva. Yes, it's a beautiful apartment. I could even see myself here living, because it's really nice. Yeah. So as we said, direct access to the pool is only one of the many, many features we have seen here today, and I think it's just a great apartment. Asking price, as we said, 147,850. No idea why is it 850 and not 950 or 148,000. No idea. It was set by the seller, no?
Yeah,
Or
should have a little bit of discount, so €100 off.
This includes already this.
Yeah,
This is already the discount included. So normally it would be 148, but in this case they gave us 150 pre-discount already.
Yeah.
Okay, that's nice. That's really good. Okay. Well then, my friends, I think I've shown you today really a very nice apartment. Which comes with everything you need. This apartment is really ready to move in and fulfills many, many needs or expectations at the same time, as it has a fantastic Jack Nicklaus golf course, as it has all kind of pools and other entertainment possibilities for your family, a beautiful clubhouse with a very good restaurant and bar, also a spa supermarket on site. So there is quite some things going on which allow you to stay here all year long. And the region of Murcia, just have a glance on murciadreams.com or on our Facebook. You also find us under Murcia Dreams, and you will see many, many activities, entertainment, experiences in the Murcia region, all within driving distance from El Valle Golf Resort. So it's worthwhile thinking about it, worthwhile having a look at it. Reference 3709 on murciadreams.com or on qualityhomescostacalida.com. I think this was it. I have waffled enough now. Thank you very much for your attention today. It was great to show this apartment. Thank you very much, Steen, for organizing all that. And thanks, Anna, again, for being always my technical backup here. I know it's sometimes a little bit wearing, but what can we do? Rupert's Property Show needs to go out every Thursday at 5 o'clock.
Worst jobs in the world.
That's true. That's true. There are worse jobs in the world, no doubt about it. So take care, have fun, stay safe, and God bless. Cheers, bye.